on the sell part of it. Just like we have a double bottom, there is something
Hmm.
like a double top.
Okay.
Now, the most, when I talk about this double top, I'm so thankful that I knew this technical analysis, few years ago. And in that, there was one stock which is called as Yes Bank. Heard about this?
Yes.
Yeah. Have a look at the chart of Yes Bank. 3 साल पहले ये Yes Bank जो था ना, it was considered to be a very good stock. फंडामेंटली
Mm-hmm.
बहुत स्ट्रांग था. यार 400 रुपए का स्टॉक था यहाँ पे. ओके, इन 2018, अगस्त 2018 ये 400 रुपए का स्टॉक है. और आज ये कितने का स्टॉक है?
Yeah, it
11
is.
रुपया.
Huh. Oh.
14 रुपीज का स्टॉक है ये. Now imagine if you would have bought the stock over here. Okay, again,
Hmm.
यहाँ पे double bottom था. Look at this in Yes Bank. Can you see this first bottom over here? This is the
Hmm.
first bottom over here. Yeah, this is the second bottom that I have marked over here. Okay, and between these two bottoms, what we need to do? We need to draw a horizontal line. यहाँ पे ये horizontal line आया, हमको बाई सिग्नल कहाँ मिला? यहाँ पे मिला. Okay, so Yes Bank was supposed to be invested at 83 rupees over here. This
Hmm.
83 rupee stock in 2014, okay, in 4 years goes up to almost 400 rupees.
Hmm.
From here, have a look what is happening. I'll zoom
Okay.
this. Yeah,
Hmm.
have a look at this. What is happening? What do we have? We have this one top. This is the first top. And almost at the same level, we have this second top over here.
Hmm.
Correct. So we have these two tops. Between these two tops, we have this bottom. ये बीच में, ये दो टॉप के बीच में जो जो बॉटम है ना, यहाँ पे क्या करना है? अभी जैसे हम लोग डबल बॉटम में करते हैं, वैसे यहाँ पे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. अभी डबल बॉटम में हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन के प्राइस ऊपर जाता है तो बाई करना है.
Hmm.
डबल टॉप में हॉरिजॉन्टल के नीचे जब जाएगा तब सेल करना है.
Okay.
Yeah, so this double top says that even if it is a fundamentally strong company, we need to sell the stock at 360 rupees
Hmm.
over here.
Okay.
360 में अगर तुमने सेल कर दिया होता, तो look at this, what happened?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Saw this? From there,
Hmm.
prices kept on going down, kept on going down, kept on going down. And you would have saved a lot money over here. 360 rupees wala stock, सीधा 14 rupees. Yeah, there are
Okay.
so many investors who are trapped. There are so
Hmm.
many investors who are trapped over here. But with a simple knowledge of how to read the charts, you could have avoided, and you could have at least sold the stock, or at least not bought this stock over here when you saw this double bottom happening.